Welcome back guys. I hope you are all good. In this video I'm going to talk about the exercise program which will help you to add 10 to 30 kilometers more to your current bowling speed. I've been working as a fast bowling and fitness coach since many years. So in my research I came across many types of exercises and their performance on improving speed. Some coaches would tell you to develop your core muscles to bowl fast and some other would tell you to strengthen your lower body. However, these exercises will not help you to bowl fast. The core and lower body just transfers the momentum to the bowling arm. So, strengthening these muscles will not help you to bowl fast. So, you need a separate set of exercises to develop speed. As I mentioned in all of my videos, you need to have hip to shoulder separation and front foot block in order to achieve speed in your bowling action. But remember guys, these techniques will allow you to bowl up to 50% of your total potential and the rest of the 50% is your strength. So during my research, I came to know that unless your bowling arm rotates fast, you cannot bowl fast no matter how strong your lower body and core muscles are. So you won't get the speed by developing these lower body and core muscles. So with all my experience, I have developed some unique exercise programs. In fact, these exercises are enough to achieve such great speeds like 140 or 150. Most of the fast bowlers don't know exactly what kind of exercises that they have to do to improve their speed. By analyzing and studying biomechanics for many years, I came across new kind of exercises which are very effective in developing speed for fast bowlers. The regular exercises in the gym will not give you speed unless you do it for continuously for years and years. These concentric and eccentric exercises will not be beneficial for any sports person except bodybuilders because these exercises will pump the muscles and make them increase in size. For a fast bowler or any sports person, the main areas that they have to develop is power and speed. So these regular gym workouts much concentrated on building the size than developing speed and strength. To become a fast bowler, you need to be lightweight and with high arm power. I've been saying in all of my videos that you have to be like a cheetah, lightweight and move fast. That's why you see most of the fast bowlers are so lean in the starting of their career and they gradually become fat and they lose the pace. And this is where the players are doing mistake. In order to develop arm power, they do all kinds of exercises and they think they develop the speed by looking at their big muscles. But the truth is they didn't build enough power and speed, rather they developed size, which is a negative factor for speed. So the more heavy you are, the slow your body moves. So what are the right exercises? Let's discuss now. The isometric exercises are the perfect exercises to develop speed for a fast bowler. Let me just give you an idea about isometric exercises. So in isometric exercises, the muscle contracts without any movement. That means your muscle's length will not change during the exercises, but it will give you the same amount of output when compared with the normal exercises. In fact, these exercises will make you more stronger than the regular exercises. And so many studies have shown that these exercises makes muscles to move very fast. This is what is required for a fast bowler. Not much muscle mass, but a huge power. The great Bruce Lee used this kind of exercises to develop his incredible speed, and we all know how fast was Bruce Lee. He is the best example for isometric exercises. He developed such an incredible speed through these exercises. So these exercises will help you to bowl fast so easily compared to the regular exercises. And these exercises does another great thing, that is by strengthening your joints of your body. Let me tell you a great secret about human body. Human body is designed to protect itself from injuries and any kind of things that hurts the body. So the body will always try to protect itself. So the delicate area in our body is our joints. So generally we do any kind of work by bending our joints, not by extending our joints. For example, most of the fast bowlers do not block their front foot naturally because the body is trying to protect itself by reducing the force on knee joint. So in order to keep us safe, the muscles and joints will try to move slow. So in fast bowling, our joints and our body goes through a lot of force. So the body tries to slow down even if you push hard because the joints in our body are not so strong. Unless you train your joints, you will not be able to bowl fast. I have given a particular set of isometric exercises in my YouTube membership program where I'll be showing you the exercises with the images and videos. The main joint that you want to strengthen in your body is your elbow joint. because it goes through a lot of force while bowling. And that's why you see a solid and strong elbow joint for international fast bowlers. And I also want to talk about another technique here, that is the pronation and supination of the arm, which I talked about in my previous videos. So in your bowling action, if your palm hand is positioned downwards, that is called pronated arm, like shown in the figure here. If your palm hand is facing upwards, that is called supinated arm. Guys, this is a small change in your action, but it can make a lot of difference in your speed. In supinated position, when you are bowling, your elbow joint will be engaged and goes through a lot of force. In order to reduce the force on elbow joint, our body naturally tries to slow down the arm speed, or it causes us to bend the elbow to avoid that force. Bending elbow in bowling is illegal and it is called checking. So you cannot bowl with a bent arm. Whereas in pronated arm position, the elbow joint will not be engaged. So the body doesn't need to worry about the pressure on elbow joint. So it rotates faster compared to the supinated arm position. So the more arm speed you generate, the faster you bowl. So guys, there are many exercises and techniques about fast bowling. I have given all those exercises in my YouTube membership program. If anyone is interested, you can join in my YouTube membership by clicking on join button next to the subscribe option. Believe me guys, with these techniques and exercise programs, you will be able to improve your speed by 10 to 30 kilometers very easily. So basically there are two levels in this membership guys, silver and gold. In silver, I'll be sharing exercise programs with videos and images, and I'll answer all your questions through social media. And in the last month, I'll analyze your bowling action. This package is for only 3 months guys. After the third month, you can deactivate your membership. And in gold membership, by not only giving you all exercise programs, I'll analyze your bowling action and correct your mistakes from the first month itself. And this plan is for only one time. And also I want to tell you one more thing, that is I help an orphanage with the money that I get. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.